Hello? Oh, hello. Welcome to the stream. Stream of justice. So your mic isn't working? Oh. Are you? No, I can't say it would be at all. Alright. There we go. Now I can see our chat. I couldn't see it before. There we go. Like that. Alright. So today I'm going to attempt to put these levels in the actual correct order. So I'm going to be working on level 4. Level 4 of the 5.
Testing. Ah, there we go. These frickin' softwares take over your computer, man.
The what?
Softwares. Software monsters. Good evening, everyone. Welcome to our stream. We welcome you. We are Gamers for Good, and we are currently working on our first game in Unity, Car Burglar. So that I will be working on creating our main start screen UI tonight. So I will get started on that.
And I'm going to work on a new level. Doing placement, enemy placement on the new level. I'm still not sure what scene I'm in. So I saved the scene as something else, as KB level 4. So let's see, if I open that, what happens? Open.
Open.
Yeah, I don't really know. I don't know how to open this, or I don't even know if this is actually that scene.
Okay, well, you'd be able to tell at the very top of your... Can't see it. It's too little.
Oh, it says KB level 4.unity. Okay, so this must be...
You made the names that close? Like, you didn't name one something very different?
There's no word test. All the other levels say test.
Oh, okay.
Took
I'm
the
like,
word
wait,
test out.
it shouldn't be confusing. Okay, gotcha.
No, I took the word test out.
Gotcha.
I was expecting to see it in the inspector, but I guess you have to hover over the little Unity symbol to do that. Okay. Excuse me.
All right.
Show
I get to
now.
wait for Unity again in 3D. Welcome.
Alright. So I'm gonna be working on this guy. So I ran around this level, and I think it feels pretty good. So now I'm gonna build some enemy placement. Where did my lights go?
Uh-oh.
I lost my lights. That's okay. I will make some new lights. quite easy to make lights. Is it easy to change Cat's spawn point?
Uh-huh. We just drag her to a different place.
That's it?
Mhm.
Oh, that's incredibly easy.
Yep, that's it.
I don't believe it.
Wherever it is you see her in the level is where she spawns.
That sounds too easy.
That's okay.
Let's see. Let's see. Let me test. So do I need to grab? Okay, so
Finish a sentence.
do I need to grab the manager hero or the one level down? Do you know? That says cat.
It needs to be a prefab.
Okay.
So you'll be able to see, yeah, by the...
So it's cat. All right.
Yeah.
Cool. Let's move her over here. And then I will spawn.
Welcome, Mojito.
Now that I've moved her, I'm going to spawn and see if that new spawn point works. And if it does, I'll be very happy.
Text mesh.
I'll be very happy.
So I am downloading a tool from the Unity Asset Store. It is called Text Mesh Pro. This will allow me some additional options on my font for my start menu that the default Unity editor does not. So I can get shadow, I can get a gradient, lots more options to personalize that, and it's a free set. So I am going to grab that now.
Wow, that was the easiest thing I've ever seen in Unity.
That you got to move cat?
Yes. Moving starting points is literally just moving the character. I expected to have to, I don't know, import another planet or something like that.
Not everything's difficult.
Very cool, very cool. I can move this further away.
So it looks like Pete is going to be working on design of one of our new levels.
Yep.
Nice.
I'm going to work on initial enemy placement.
Ah, gotcha. Just be careful when you grab the dogs to grab the ones with the behavior you want.
Well, there's no way to do that.
Huh?
Well,
it's
a different level, so they're not going to...
I mean, the waypoints won't be set.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not going to matter anyways. Yeah.
They're not going to work. I'm just going to grab the
stationary one.
Moving stationary dog.
That's not what you want.
Huh? Why?
Because you don't have the whole thing.
Oh, I know.
I'm like, don't grab that.
I know.
Don't grab that, please. Alright, I already imported that. Stop hitting that button, Liz. I'm going to go down here. I'm going to download my Playmaker. Playmaker is the visual scripting tool that we are using in our game.
Actually, I want to grab this guy because he spins. That'll be funny.
My brain just totally forgot what I was grabbing. Playmaker, hello.
Playmaker?
There you is. My brain is so on, like, I'm so interested in this Bolt, this new visual scripting. It's so pretty. And it's so much more informative.
What is it?
It's called Bolt. It's the one, like, Unity's supporting. Like, they're giving it away with, like, if you buy Pro or Plus, like, that's the visual scripting tool they give you. They used to give you Playmaker.
Oh, I wonder why they stopped doing that.
They must think this one is better.
A new thing to learn. Is it similar?
It's very similar. It's actually simpler.
I need some lights, man. It is dark over here.
It's moody.
Give me a light. Give me a light.
So right there, it's trying to get me to verify Playmaker will make sure before you put it in a scene, you have made a backup. I am starting with a completely blank scene, so that is why I didn't bother doing that. So how is everyone doing tonight? How did you spend your week so far? Tuesday, we're 2 days in.
Just getting started.
It will run away. It will be time to leave for GDC.
Oh, it's coming up too fast. It's coming up too fast. I am not prepared.
I have accepted that there is not a prepared. And I'm just gonna go and be as flexible as I can.
Well, you're not talking on Monday.
I am not talking! I will be CAing and I'm going to this event for the first time ever that I've been to this event, and I have no idea what my schedule is. I literally can't sign up for, like, the Microsoft Women's Luncheon, because I don't know if I can make it. We're not sure.
I'll go for you.
Luckily, like, social-wise, like, if I get through my days, luckily the event closes, and the conference isn't open for all the after-hour business.
What color should I make this underside?
I'm really looking forward to taking out the new camera that DJI sent me, the Osmo Plus, and doing some live streaming. Hopefully the internet will cooperate. Show you guys some up close and personal of GDC. Oh, I actually don't mind saying that. Game developer shows are very different from gamer shows.
What's the difference?
Personal hygiene. This is as politically correct as I can say that. Nobody is talking to me this evening. Alright, so
Ask a question. What do you want to know?
what do I want to know? I want to know what
Oh,
everybody's
you're asking.
playing. What are you watching on TV? What's the next movie coming out you're looking forward to? I am looking forward to Ready Player One.
Oh, isn't that coming out?
It's coming out the 29th, I think.
Cool. We've had full media blackout.
Yeah, we don't know anything. We haven't seen any of the things.
I mean, we both read the book.
Well, yeah, we read the book, but we haven't seen how... And it's weird. Is it Disney? Why do I want to say Disney?
Is it Disney?
I'm not sure. I don't want to look it up. I don't want to look it up because then I'll see stuff. I was, like, scared today looking up Tree of Savior. Yes, of course you're playing Tree of Savior. Why would you not be?
Did you move the decals into the lighting?
Oh, Jesus. Did it go into the lighting?
It did.
I tried to move the whole group at one point and I couldn't find it.
Yep. All these
I tried to
decals
find it and I couldn't, so I left it.
in the lighting. There, okay. There we go.
What is this music?
Alright. How can I make a different... Oh yeah, I always forget.
How can I make a different... Oh, yeah.
So,
So for anyone that might ever wonder why you can solve your problems by asking someone else, it's called Rubber Duck QA. Something that is used in game design, something that's used in engineering. They literally will have a rubber duck on their desk, and you tell the duck what you're expecting to happen and what actually happens. And by articulating that to this rubber duck, you have solved half your problem, because a problem well articulated basically walks you into the solution. When you start nailing down what exactly is wrong and what exactly you're not getting, it becomes a lot more obvious. Alright, so I've got my Playmaker in. I'm gonna get going.
this whole make a empty thing still screws with me.
You're like, no, I want stuff.
Like, make it empty. Make it empty what? Okay.
So because I am just working on UI, you will see I'm working in a 2D view because it makes no difference. So to simplify things for myself, I am just going to work in 2D.
Tutti frutti. I have lights somewhere in the wrong space. To find this purple light. There you are. You belong this level.
So in Unity, it's amazing when you make your canvas. Holy sheez.
Holy what?
Huh?
Holy what?
Holy sheez. I don't know.
Holy cheese.
Holy cheese, man! When you make your canvas for your UI, it makes it automatically in the ratio of your screen, but it makes it huge. So always zoom way out. Always zoom way out.
I'm gonna have to fix this wall because you're supposed to be able to go through this.
Whoops.
That's right, when I brought this level in, it was missing something. It was missing the top floor.
That's always a thing.
And it's missing one of these bottom ramps. I swear I already replaced this thing.
You might have.
I swear.
Welcome to the stream, Piggle. What is this F?
I'm definitely going to...
Oh, that's my canvas. Okay, so...
What is your what?
It's my canvas. I don't know, like, I don't know what happened where it ended up named F, but that's what it is. Alright. This is like a square. Is this the size of the camera?
We've got to make Cat's collision bigger or something.
Yeah, you design the geometry without her light. I mean, I don't understand why we can't do two colliders to just make her head not fit.
I'm not as worried about her head as she is so picky when it comes to how close things are. Like, I'll show you an example. It's pretty nutty. Tree of Savior. So, I don't know if you can see this, but she gets caught on this. Like, look at how big that lip is right there.
That's insane. This, as you make more and more levels, you're gonna see why I wanted to use a nav mesh.
Look at this.
Yeah, she can't get over this ramp.
Look at how big that little bump is.
But that's not even like a. Her collider is too little.
Yeah, her collider. Yeah, the pill is microscopic. It's so tiny.
So why would this be a collider issue?
What do you mean? It's because it's too small.
So you're saying if her collider was larger, she would make it over the lip?
Yes.
Make her collider larger and show me that.
We did that, and then it started. Remember, it did that whole camera jitter freak out thing.
Camera jitter freak out.
So
yeah, it was like.
I'd rather if the two options are get these lips to be perfect, or deal with camera freak out, which I have no idea how to solve. I will go with. I'll definitely go with just fixing these guys. Because I at least know how to do that. I know how to just inch this guy out a little bit. That's totally doable. Uh-oh. Okay, it's still on the ground. Alright. Now, when I delete something, when I try to delete something, I get the actual break to prefab instance. Are you sure you want to continue? Do you know what that means?
It's saying whatever changes you're making to that one item are not going to get made to all of them unless you go into the item and hit apply.
Okay, I don't care. I'm trying to delete this.
Oh, then that's okay.
Then continue is fine. Okay. Yeah, I didn't know if it meant the entire scene prefab.
No, just that particular item.
Okay.
It's saying that's part of a set. Are you meaning to get rid of that?
Cool. That makes life way easier, because since I didn't know what that meant, I've been taking things that I want to delete and hiding them underground. So I have a whole bunch of extra hidden geometry, because I was like, I don't know what that error is, and I don't want to break something. So if you look under, let's see, in the level here, I have all of my hidden... See all these hidden crates in the ground? Yeah. Get rid of all you punks. Underground crates.
Why are you not allowing me to make you larger?
Need a cube. There it is. Why are you not allowing what?
This camera is square, and I don't want it to be square.
What do you want it to be?
16 by 9?
16 by 9. Alright. Did you send out the thing?
I don't think so.
Is our audio working okay? Is everything working fine? Mr. Mojito?
Mojito!
Mr. Mojito? Or Mr. Gannon?
Does everything sound alright tonight?
If it sounds good, this will be a historic occasion of audio working the first time. My guess was by stream, what was it, what did I say? 11?
Dad is kind of quiet.
I'm kind of quiet.
Alright, anyone else? Okay. I have adjusted the Peets.
Oh, you don't want me to do it? Okay.
Oh, you...
I didn't?
That's a variable for me that I can't keep track of.
I didn't.
I know, but I can't keep track of that one. Jazz, how does he sound now? Talk, Petey Pete.
Blah, 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 blah. Habada, schnabawa. Float like a float, like a float, like a butterfly.
Can you hear us now? How about now? What about now? Now?
How about now?
You should be louder.
What?
She says you should be louder. I'd love to hear.
Louder.
Is Pat, are you out there? I hate to make adjustments based on one person.
Well, it might be mine.
Turn your thing up. Let's just always go with you all the way up on your end. Let me adjust what I can see so I can write down numbers.
Like, you want me to have my mic maxed out?
What do you normally have it of?
I don't know.
Yeah, this is... Yes, max it out. You sound good. Okay, Pat, do I sound good? Does Pete sound good? And is the music level in relation good?
You sound good, damn it. It's only because anybody sounds good who's saying something about Tree of Savior to Pat.
Tree of Savior.
Tree of Savior.
Tree of Savior.
Oh my.
Hopefully we sound okay.
Nope. Hopefully we don't. Tree of Savior. Alright, I'm pretty sure. Pretty sure that's how this floor was working. But I can't be sure. What is that?
Look on your screen.
Does it say on the screen somewhere?
It says it on Twitch, baby. I'm doing other stuff.
Oh, there it is. Zolo's Lullaby Live. Cool. Yeah, I didn't notice this. I didn't notice that was a thing.
That is a thing. Downside of Hootsuite. You can send out a lot of mistakes really fast.
Did you make a mistake?
I didn't put the link. So now I get to go to all the million places I hoot-tweeted that out to really fast and delete it.
Good times. Oh my.
Come on, go to Petey Pete. Go to Petey Pete. Go to
I don't even make
Pete.
this wider. We watched Moonrise Kingdom the other night. I always forget how great that movie is. Wes Anderson. What a silly guy.
Holy moly, can you do damage fast with Hootsuite?
Do them damages. Oh, I'm missing a ramp. How do you rotate something with world? I guess you don't. I guess you don't. That's alright.
Instagram isn't working?
Local rotation.
Is Instagram down? The heck? It appears to be.
Man, I'm gonna play so many games after GDC. Oh, but her head doesn't currently have a collider. Right? So you can probably squeeze through that. Let's try it. Let's try it. We can test the collision we just put in as well. All right, girl. You gonna fit through that hole? Oh yeah, man. She's way smaller than that. Here we go. Oh yeah, I can make this smaller than this. I want this to be smaller. Bling. Okay, cool. Okay, I'm pretty confident in this basic level design. Feels pretty decent. Pretty decent. Now I need to do some enemy pathing planning.
What does size mean of a camera?
What's that?
What does size of a camera mean? What level number is this? This one looks much more difficult than the previous one you were working on.
The previous one is level 3, and this is level 4. So this one will have clear ceilings through a couple spaces that you have to navigate through. So for instance, like down here, there's these areas full of crates, and I'll have a whole bunch of gems sprinkled throughout here. You have to kind of navigate your way through here. Doot, 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 doot. And then there's one of the hidden keys over there. Spoiler! Oh, I don't have collision on this wall. I can cheat. I can cheat. I can cheat. Alright, time to bring in some dogs. Time to bring in some dogs. These beams might be a little too occluding. Not sure. I want it to feel like this is an enclosed area, but I don't want to hinder visibility too terribly. So I want to have dogs walking around these things.
How would you navigate through that box area when there isn't glass over the whole thing? Won't there be places you can't see and likely get stuck?
Nope. So you can see everywhere in here.
You are zoomed so far out, it looks.
Hmm?
Is this how far out they can zoom? The player?
So this is as far back as you can go, right here. The player can zoom in this far.
Are they going to be able to do whatever they want? This song sounds terrible.
They'll be able to do whatever they want.
Are they going to be able to have the same level of zoom control that we have in the game right now? In the build, not like in Unity.
Sure, why not?
We made Twitch affiliate! Yay!
Yay! What does that mean?
It means now we can collect bits, and
bits.
It means we can't. What else do we
tips.
get? I don't know, but it says not all who stream are as dedicated as you. You belong to a new class of streamer known as Twitch affiliates. Nice. So I will let you know more as I learn, guys, because what we're learning, we're trying to share. Cat. So I don't know what it means yet, but...
Alright, I need some dogs.
I don't know what it means yet, but we will let you know how you guys can help us out with that.
We'll let you know what it means
when we figure it out.
What it means.
Oh, belly full of sushi. How did I not get invited to that? Oh.
Belly full of sushi? What's that?
It's raw fish on yummy rice.
Oh.
Are you going to add more dogs in this level? I only see one. Yes, he just started pulling enemies over here, so there will be more than one.
Yep, but we have to make waypoints, which is too complex for my simple mind. So Liz will be doing that side of things. Unless you want to teach me how to do it. Unless you want to teach me how to Dougie, because I don't know how to Dougie.
New level, yay!
Teach me how to doggy. New level. This is level 4. Level 4. Oh my. Alright, dog. Get your patrol on.
Oh my gosh, my brain is totally like, this music is making my brain stop working.
Oh. This dog's taller than
I have no idea what I was doing. Oh, I need to add into our project the asset for our start screen.
Shoot, I wanted to have this dog walk under this ramp, but it's too low. So I'm gonna have to, let's see, how can I do this? How can I do this?
New level. So what are you guys playing? What is on the, what have I missed? I've been working a lot. What TV shows or movies have come out that I should definitely check out? I've not watched enough new TV. I don't know what's out there. Yeah, welcome to the stream, Data Gnome. That's an awesome name.
Data gnome or beta?
Data. They're
Data?
a data gnome. I like that name. It is
Cool.
very thought-provoking. Hey, welcome. Alright, so I need to go grab...
Mo dogs.
Oh, my brain is having an issue because I'm looking at the assets in this file and freaking the heck out. I'm not in the game. I should not see anything in here. This is a blank scene. I'm good. I'm like, where did the whole game go? I'm in trouble.
The game is gone.
Sorry guys, the game's gone. Alright, so I'm going to grab that image so that I can put that on our title screen. Where was that image?
Dog 4. Alright, so I need...
So dramatic.
Sounds
It's
pretty...
this game... And I'm going to have to take that song out of our recording. I removed that from our playlist. Advent Rising will not share their music. So we're moving on.
Who's that?
Advent Rising. They have...
It's a band?
Advent Rising is a game.
Oh.
You're not paying attention.
Alright, this dog's gonna patrol like this, like this, like this, like this.
Where am I going to find a good-sized version of that image, Pete?
A good size of...
Not like a blog-size image, but like a game-size image of the title screen.
I don't know what that means. A game-sized image?
Not a little one.
I made a big one. The one I gave you was big. The original one that was saved is really big.
Oh, it's 16 by 9. No, it's perfect.
Yeah.
Easy perfect.
I'm like, I don't know what you talking about.
I didn't look first. I assumed. That was bad.
You assumed it was small?
I did, because it
How they make
uploaded...
giant files.
It uploaded really fast.
Giant files. I default to making
Yay!
files
Look at
way
that
too
start
big.
screen. We're ready to go. All done.
Does it say start?
No.
Alright.
And it does nothing. It serves no purpose.
Do you really need to have the word start on a starting screen? Do you think someone would load it up and just sit there and think, I guess this is it?
See, but it's here. I'm gonna get back to the thing of I don't like putting any of the game elements that are required in English, if at all possible. You know, like, so I don't know if I'd rather use like a press and a picture of the keypad button, like the green X or something, because then you don't have to read either. So yeah, that's one thing I picked up from lots of GDC talks is, removing language from your game as much as you can allows different audiences to enjoy your work without you having to put more labor into it. Push any key, push start,
That
push
makes sense.
X, push something. If you tap anything on your desk, we will open the game.
I want more of my screen. There we go. I can shove this project window out of here. There we go. Mo game. Alright. Alright.
So for anyone that may be just joining us, welcome. We are Gamers for Good. Sorry. We are Pete and Liz Cooper. We are working on Gamers for Good's first game, Cat Burglar, A Tale of Pursuit. This game...
Pursuit.
Pursuit.
I'm gonna say it the right way now.
A Tale of Pursuit. Sorry. We are trying to make a very simple, quick example of how you can involve charity in a game and get it out. We are saying done is better than perfect. We are aiming for end of April to have this for you guys to play. We are streaming 3 times a week to show you what is going on in our development and let you learn from what we have learned. So if you guys have any questions, any advice on anything you see us doing, just let us know. Jackie, hi, you should try doing a library level, piles of books instead of boxes.
Yeah, it sounds like a lot more stuff to make. Oof.
He's like, wait, I just want boxes. Okay.
Books, books, books.
And so you guys will notice when I go in here to UI to add a text element, I am not choosing the one that says text. Remember that asset package I downloaded, TextMesh Pro, so I can get those extra editing elements on my text. So you'll see how many more options are available here as far as font, boldness, centering, characters, shadows, all that fun business.
I'm happy where this is vertically. I don't want to move it like this and then like this and hope it lines up. But I guess that's what we're doing, because I don't see another way. She's a sweet soul brother. Now this is good music from a great game. If anyone here knows any Unity, knows how to move things in the world space, please let me know. And I'm just gonna look it up. I know there's gotta be a way to do that because it's really annoying. Pretty annoying. Where's my internet browser? Oh, there it is. Move in world space, Unity.
So I'm just trying to find a good space down here at the bottom of this where my white text will show without running into any of these lighter colors.
Oh no!
What's wrong?
Oh. There, I'm looking up how to move it in world space, and people are dropping lines of code. Like,
You're like, no. Yeah, I got that same thing, and when I was looking up how to change the size of the camera, so I just opened Playmaker. I have one more cheat in my pocket, Pete doesn't.
What?
What? So now you can see I have made the text element that is now on the start screen. The only thing is it still doesn't have any functionality. This is not actually a button. This is literally just press X to play. So what I will do from there is add a UI element of a button and remove all the formatting from it. So it will basically be an invisible button that is right behind this font.
Invisible. How steep can you make a ramp before it gets really dumb? Actually, I have no idea. Do you know how steep a ramp she can go up?
Nope. This is why I wanted to use a nav mesh,
something.
because when I had the nav mesh, I could set that stuff. I could set the settings of what angles we wanted her to go to.
This is the most ridiculous. If she can go up this ramp, that'll be amazing. Because it's basically, it's more like a ladder than a ramp at this point.
So you'll see I took the color on that button. It was showing as white behind there. So I just took the alpha on that button and slid it all the way down so you see that basically disappears behind there. Perfect.
Press X to play.
Where is this?
Is that going to be both for keyboard as well as controller?
Yes, sir.
Cool. It's kind of a weird button to press for keyboard, but it works. All right, Cat. Let's see how vertically challenged you can be. Oh, I went from the super jams to
Super
ultra
chill.
She really should not be able to go up this ramp. Oh, she can.
Oh my god.
Look at that.
Does she slide down?
Nope. She's got this on lock.
That's insane.
But of course, she can't get over this massive lip.
And I do see
You can walk up this ramp, but you can't go over that little bump.
I do see that our loyalty game box is starting to show up there. You click on that Gamers for Good logo. You could spend the loyalty points on different game mechanics that you have earned for your watch time. She does have claws, says Corey. This is true. So she should be able to go up, but then get stuck and just scream. Right? Because cats can, like, climb up, but they can't get down.
Oh, yeah.
So she'll just climb up the ramp and cry at the top of it.
That is a legit thing. All right, I don't want to make a ramp that ridiculous. That's pretty extreme. That was a fun test. I just need to make it so the dog can walk under it. How close are you to the ground?
Text Mesh Pro. I should probably have. If I had renamed this the way I was supposed to, I wouldn't be having a hard time right now. This is.
How'd you name it?
I left it named the generic way it came in. That's not good.
Alright, that should be good. Alright, now that's enough space for the dog to walk around. So I want this guy Basically walking in a square motion around this area. Alright, now I need to make... What's the best way to make visual indicators for where the dogs should walk? I guess I can make...
How did you give it to me before? Oh, you did it in Photoshop.
That's right, that's right. I did drawings for where they go. But I want to do something that's in the game. I think that'll be easier. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this cube. And I'm gonna remove the collision. Remove component.
She has
And then
claws.
I'm just gonna change this.
Ready to rock off with my socks off. You're so silly. Drag to color tint, highlighted color, white, pressed color. Let's go blackish. We will put a little bit of alpha back on there so that you can see it when you hover over it.
What material is the vision thing on?
Somewhere. Haha, I found you, word button. So when I was testing my button, when I was taking it into play mode, the word button was appearing. Very strange. I'm actually a little confused as to what this layer... I gotta get rid of this. What are you? I'm confused at what I'm looking at. Ugh, you really need to use your play macer. Oh, thank you for the follow, Danny. I don't know, Danny. I'm starting to look at that new visual scripting Bolt. That one has got some enhanced features. It might be better.
Whoa. Good old school Danny. What's going on, man?
You silenced him.
Long time no see. welcome to the stream. This is our game, Car Burglar, we're working on. It's a, I don't know. It's what did the genre?
Stealth.
I think it was puzzle platformer. Wasn't that what people decided it was?
Oh.
We had the audience decide what the genre was because we don't really know. And I'll show you how it plays. If I can find the correct node to move my character. And I'll put her back here. Alright, play the game. Look at the Zelda music. Oh yeah. Alright. So you're stealing gems from guard dogs. So it's a charity game where we're supporting great pet charities.
Ship it. End of next month, we're shipping it.
Yep, we are shipping this very soon. It's a really small scale, short project. It's going to have 5 levels. And yeah, it's just a neat, fun little game. And you have to find the keys. Oh, there's an untextured crate. You have to figure out how to get these keys. Cat cannot jump.
Oh,
So-
you got the bolt one too. He's got it all.
The dogs are hyper blind, luckily, so don't have to worry too much about them. That's how the game works. Pretty straightforward. And that is our initial test level. That's level 3. And over here is level 4, which I'm starting to do collision on and dog placement and all that good stuff. So, oh yeah.
Oh,
yeah. One of the smart things, one of the few smart things I'm doing with this project is I'm actually tracking how much time I'm spending on it. Because we started in January. Yeah, Metal Gear Solid. Oh yeah. Captain Toad and Metal Gear. Absolutely. It's basically.
It's basically the inspiration.
Yeah. I was gonna say Captain Toad and Sly Cooper, but Metal Gear works too. So I'm currently at 119 hours. I've been working on this. So I've worked on it for about an hour and a half a day. I'm still full-time at Riot right now. And still working on my GDC talks, which I should be done with since GDC is...
Although I'm gonna say, my Twitter has been full of people going, slide 36 of 80, I'm almost there.
Oh,
So you're not alone.
80?
Yeah, you're not alone.
Yeah, but my first talk is on Monday. Like,
yeah, that
early,
is
so
one downside.
I
Yeah,
gotta-
your other
gotta
talk
do
you have till Thursday.
Yeah, I'm not as worried about that one. And I've also done that talk before. But this,
Ew. Maybe instead of a cardboard box, she can hide in an upturned litter box.
upturned litter box.
Yuck.
That is an awesome idea.
That is yuck.
That's pretty gross. I was thinking about making a fire hydrant. Because dogs.
Because dogs.
Because dogs. Would you have like a newspaper just sitting on a fire hydrant and that would be like the bathroom?
But they don't care
Or
about
would
the
it be
newspaper.
an outhouse with a fire hydrant in it?
Yes,
instead of a
that's
toilet?
better. I like that one.
Yeah, we're trying to keep the scope incredibly low in this game.
Scope dictates all decisions.
Yes.
All of them.
So there's no buttons in this game. It's literally just movement. We don't have a programmer, so we're and we don't really know Unity, so we are learning it as we go.
Yay!
I mean, I know enough to put art in, but we gotta learn more than that.
So I do want to welcome anyone new to the channel tonight. We are Liz and Peet Cooper. We run Gamers for Good, a game industry nonprofit focused on helping gamers give back. We are working on a project right now, Car Burglar. It's our first game project. We have put this project together to kind of test all the systems. Can we make a game? Can we publish a game? Can we get it up on Steam? Can we get it out on Game Jolt? Can we do all the things? And also making a very simple example of how you can integrate charity into almost any game type. So, because we will be integrating charity awareness into our load screens between levels. There is scripts, Danny. There's plenty of scripts in the game. We're using Playmaker to do all of it, though. And they're very, very simple. Very, very simple. They're filling Band-Aid purposes.
Yeah, Sean made a
couple little scripts to tweak
couple
things that weren't
complex
working
things.
the way we
Get our
wanted.
camera working cool. I also figured out the crazy occluding shader, which...
Yeah, Jazz, the gem counter is going to be changed. It's going to be changed to a gem. And the color, yes, the color is simply the color of the gem, that it was just a temp grab when I put the UI in.
Yeah, like where you see keys 0 to 4, it's just kind of floating in the middle of the screen. That's not going to be it. That's not going to be it.
Yeah, because Dad is gone, and actually we've had some version control issues going on here.
No.
So I have done several edits to getting those UI elements actually locked up in the corners.
We have not had any of those
And
problems.
file cleanup, but all that stuff. We ended up with one computer whose Dropbox wasn't syncing. I won't say who.
We are far too professional to let
And so we have
these
conflicted
absurd-
versions of files.
to fall into these noob traps.
Of expecting Pete's computer to work. Did I refer to him as Dad? I might have. So Pete is my husband. Most of the time when I'm talking about him, it's to our kids, so I refer to him as Dad. It kind of works.
Who's your daddy?
Or you can take it a different way. It's the gray hair. No, he
It's the gray hair, yeah. For sure.
Oh.
Yeah, look at all that
Oh, the guy's
experience.
creeping.
Oozing experience.
Sorry.
That's what gray hair is, right?
Oozing experience. So now I'm going to do what all good game developers do. I am going to go look up the code line that I want for this button on the internet and copy and paste it in. Because I found it earlier today. So I bookmarked it.
All right. I thought you were going to say blame it on the producer.
That would be odd. As the producer's me.
What all good game developers do.
How are we splitting up the duties? So we've got this lovely little Trello board.
That's not what they mean.
That's not what they mean?
She cleans up after the dog, and my daughter cleans up after the cats.
I don't think that's what they mean. So Danny, we're using Trello to track our tasks. So you'll see our... You're such a butthead. I don't even know what I was going to say anymore.
Something about Trello.
Something about Trello and little face
cleaning up
icons.
the
And...
duties.
No, see what happens is Pete makes the art. Anything he breaks or can't make work, I fix.
So basically every single asset in the game. So I did the level design and all the art. We have a guy, Sean, who's helping us, he does animation and some of the scripting.
He sounds
And
like
then
every
Liz
bitch.
does all this other stuff.
All this other stuff. watching earlier.
Katamare. I don't know why this soundtrack just never ever gets old in my head. I still remember when I first played Katamari Damacy in 2005. Mind blown. So should we... do we have to go 90-degree angles? I kind of want to test...
You're talking about for the dog?
For the dog movement. We've only done 90s.
I don't know what the turn looks...
Yeah, because you're inputting numbers, right? Okay, so we'll stick to 90s. Keep it simple.
No, I mean, it's fine because his script tells him to look at the next waypoint, and that's what he faces. Try it!
Simple.
No, try one, and if it doesn't...
Keep it simple.
Try one. I didn't say make like 30. Try one. If it doesn't work, you won't do it.
Keep it simple.
If it doesn't work, you won't
We're
do it.
shipping this. Damn it. 90s is fine. Oh my. No scope creep. Except art. I will gladly. If anyone has ideas for absurd decals or stupid art assets that are cat/dog related, I'm totally down with that. I kind of want to figure out like what would be a silly trap that dogs would lay out for cats. Slaughterfast. Hey Pete, Liz, my wife and I met you outside your PAX talk last year. Good to see you both again. Hello.
Oh, hello. Thanks for dropping by.
That's right, we did that charity PAX talk. That was cool.
What is this game going to be available on? This will be available on Steam and GameJolt, possibly itch.io as well.
Yep. It will be available.
Catnip
There'll be a playable demo
That's
up
cute.
by Saturday.
What?
We're leaving for GDC on Sunday. So.
Friday.
Huh?
Friday, not Saturday.
We're leaving for GDC on Friday?
We will have a demo.
Okay, well then I was right. I said by Saturday.
Oh, yeah.
I was just giving you a few extra hours.
Yeah, Sunday. That's what he meant. Timo.
Catnip, I like that.
Timo.
Can you sell catnip? We're trying not to use too many words. Is there a way to sell catnip without using the words catnip?
Let's look at the fun.
I don't know.
I don't know.
Thank you, Slaughterfast, for the follow. We appreciate it.
I mean, that's only a few letters, though. Maybe we could try it.
CNIP.
The one
Can't you just make like the cat with like the little crossed out or like the swirly eyes?
The one word I have is the wanted poster.
Cat.
The beautifully drawn by the dog's wanted poster of cat. But that's fine because just wanted is kind of a universal thing. Like wanted posters look the same everywhere. I just say wanted. It's kind of funny.
You ready to do a giveaway?
Oh, sure.
You're like, what are you talking about?
Yeah, like what you talking about, Willis?
Talk about.
We're just gonna do the same way we did before, where they pick a game.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Let me get my listy list.
All right, we're gonna do a game giveaway. So someone in the chat can win a free game from one of our sponsors.
Alright, so let me just explain how our giveaways work right now until we change them. Are you doing the same thing?
No.
Oh, no, Pete has a different thing. So I'm not going to explain it. I'm going to shush and he'll tell you.
Alright, I'm going to do something weird. We normally do game trivia where I show a picture of a game, which we still might do tonight. And I cover up the title. and whoever types the name of the game in the chat first wins. This time I want to try something a little different. I want to see everybody name 2 games that have the least amount in common. And Liz and I will decide who wins. So the 2 games that have the least amount in common. I came up with a couple that were pretty good, that I feel have nothing in common. So you have 2 minutes. 8:17.
Thank you for the hosting.
We'll see what's up.
Damn it, El Prez, we appreciate it.
C-nip, catnip.
I checked out of your explanation a little.
What's up?
Was your explanation good?
I don't know. Was the explanation clear?
I don't know.
2 games that you can think of that are as far apart from each other as possible. They have the least amount in common.
Borderlands and No Luca No.
Okay. Good one, Piggle. I know.
That's a good one.
Borderlands, No Luca No. Okay. Okay, that's not bad. No Luca No is an absurd game where...
Final Fantasy and Katamari, Street Fighter 3, and Street Fighter 5.
Great job, Danny. You clearly have a massive wide range of games.
It's got a large catalog.
So is that Final Fantasy 1 and Katamari?
Doom versus Dead or Alive Extreme Beach Volleyball.
Doom, Dead or Alive, Extreme Beach Volleyball. Okay.
What was the question?
What was the question? I froze.
Name,
Deer in the headlights.
Name your question again.
Yeah, the question is name 2 games that have the least amount in common that you can think of. And Liz and I will decide who got the furthest away. I think Danny's in the lead right now with Street Fighter 3
Pong
and Street Fighter 5.
Uncharted 4.
Pong and Uncharted 4. That's
pretty damn good.
pretty good. It's pretty good. Let's see if someone's gonna beat that. Give you another 1 minute. Corey was a little late to the party.
Oh, I thought it was 2 games you'd like to see combined. Try again. Throw another answer out there.
Nope. Throw something else out then. 2 games that have the least amount in common. So super far away, artistically, game type wise, thematically, whatever. Let's see. So, does this work for you for pathing?
Oh. The only thing that I need beyond that is their starting position. Oh,
Okay.
are you putting them in it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, then that works. Then you've communicated the things I need. Okay, we've got one more. Pac-Man and Yandir Simulator? What is Yandir? I don't even know what that one
Yandir
is.
Simulator. That's one I don't know.
Yandir Simulator.
Which is rare. There's a game I don't know.
Is an upcoming stealth action
I must look
video
this up.
game about stalking a boy. What was the other one on the other side?
Oh.
Pac-Man.
I know what this is. This game's absurd. So what was it?
Pac-Man and Yandir Simulator.
Those are almost identical. I mean, come on.
I don't know this
Pac-Man's a cute thing.
game. You said you knew this one. Is it just like a visual novel thing?
No, it's a creepy anime game.
It's a creepy anime.
It's a creepy animal game. So Pac-Man is a cute thing that goes around, killing other cute things. So, they're almost the same game, right?
Is the girl cute and she kills a cute boy?
Yeah.
Oh, well then they sound similar.
Well, no, she kills other
She kills
girls.
lots of people. I can't get anything to show me anything on this
All right.
website. It's like hiding
Time's
from
up.
me.
Corey, you didn't put anything. All right, let's see who won. I'm gonna say.
Oh.
I mean, it's pretty hard to beat Pong,
the Pong
Uncharted.
4. Oh, did Corey leave again when we said the question?
Oh, did he
I don't
crash
know.
again?
We get question marks.
Corey, question marks again. Those are no. Those both of your question marks are very similar. They're almost identical.
I did. Well, then you have to wait till the next one.
All right. Borderlands No Luca No, pretty good, but stylistically, they're not far off enough. I'm gonna have to say, Final Fantasy Katamari is pretty good, but I still think Pong and Uncharted 4 are pretty.
That's pretty
extreme.
far. It's like the beginning of technology, and how far can we push it? Those are pretty good. Baby Alexander.
So do you agree?
Thief? Sure.
All right. So, Danny is the winner. The winner chicken dinner.
Yes,
So you get your choice of Steam key from the games to the left of your screen now.
Like, which side are they on?
There you go. Congrats, enjoy. We'll do another.
Ori. All right,
Ori.
Danny, I am going to. I think I have you on Facebook. First.
You can't whisper, which is very sad. You just can't whisper anymore. You didn't say the sponsor thing. Moon. Yeah. Ori is hot. Ori 2 is going to be baller, which was announced. It was. Can you gift forward? What does that mean?
Danny, if you would like us to hang on to your key until we have someone who has not interacted with us before we have had that request, and I would be happy to do that for you. Or I'm happy to give you a key to Ori. Whichever you would like.
Yeah, man, you can just take the key and you can give it to someone else. You can definitely gift Steam keys to people. Alright, we'll do another game giveaway soon. Do I want 2 dogs on this floor? I don't know. Alright, I'm gonna go with 2 dogs on this floor.
Alright, so I've sent you your key, Danny. Once again, thank you, Microsoft, for donating those copies of Ori and the Blind Forest for us.
I'm a double dog on this flow.
Double dog on the flow.
Double dog on the flow. Will you rotate?
Will you rotate?
Dude, the dogs have a super weird rotation pivot. I don't know what's up with that.
You can't ever win with the card game. We're gonna have some other games soon too. I've started installing some they look pretty fun. Unfortunately, not much will probably change with our stream because we have this week that we're prepping and getting ready, the demo ready for GDC. And then we will be at GDC, so our streaming is probably going to be more live streaming of what is going on, where we are at, what games we're checking out, where I'm standing checking badges as a conference associate. just what our GDC experience is. So we will be trying to live stream as long as the internet cooperates. It's always the unknown factor at anything gaming expo related. Will the internet work?
Yeah, that's not good.
Alright, so what I am currently doing right now is I want to get the Playmaker actions that have to do with the UI so that I don't have to go into any of the nasty coding or scripting that Unity tries to force you to do. So I am downloading those Playmaker advanced actions that will give me all of the UI actions I'm looking for.
Do we currently have the ability to have the dogs that are walking stop and idle for X amount of time and then walk again?
I don't know.
I guess all the walking ones are just continuously walking right now, right?
Yes.
Yeah. I wonder if we can do that. 'Cause that is one thing I would like, but not if it creates a bunch of extra
Lots
work.
of sugar. This project, we started casually working on this right after we moved. So right around the start of the year, we've been working on it here and there, about an hour a day.
Well, Barazi pointed out it was about an hour and a half a day.
Sorry, if we actually calculate out the math, it's about 90 minutes a day.
All right. Dog pathing's looking good. 2, 4. I can't have more than 12 dogs. I don't think I have that many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 9. Okay, we're good. We're good. We're good. No, I don't think I want one there. I have changed my mind.
So I am importing those advanced actions, which will give me all those UIs that I'm looking for. I don't know if I got the ecosystem.
What's that? What's that?
I'm just talking out loud to myself. I have not gotten the Playmaker ecosystem. I need to go do that too. I'm used to working in another file, and so to make that file available for both of us to work tonight, I am building UI outside of our game. I'm trying. So far it's slow going without all of the setup I already have in the other file.
My file. I mean, I made another version. So can't you use the other version?
I'm fine.
I done made another version. Hey Danny, you going to GDC?
Do you guys plan on getting a larger team? Programmer, animators, VFX? Not really. We plan on being our core team and then using support where we need it. You know, like where we're weak, using like animation support. Oh, no, he's not going.
Oh. So where are you at now, Danny?
Next time, maybe.
Next time,
Might do BlizzCon if things work out. Nice.
Cool.
BlizzCon is fun.
Yeah, I'll be doing BlizzCon. The virtual pass.
Oh, I'm like, you're going to BlizzCon?
I'm done with LA. Done with it.
Start up in New York City. We should have dinner when we go this summer. Pete and I are gonna go to New York for Games for Change.
Maybe.
I'm going.
Liz is going for sure.
Pete maybe.
For sure.
Pete maybe.
Pete is.
Pete doesn't like going. The going is the word that Pete doesn't like. He found out we're gonna be at GDC for a week and almost died.
Oh my god, yeah.
He's a
I
traveler.
am a extreme homebody. Like, I left the house today.
You did? You went for a walk.
I went for a walk, and I think that's the first time I've left my house in a week.
Really?
I mean, since we went with Corey to the burger place.
I feel like he's just cheap, and that's why he doesn't travel.
What? That's 100% true. No, that's. I mean, that's part of it for sure. Of course, I'm cheap. I mean, someone's got to balance out this Liz, this spending machine.
Pete calls me the spending machine because I buy the groceries and the toilet paper and the cat food. Always buying stuff.
Okay. Okay. How about we just look at your Amazon packages for the past 48 hours and see what you got?
But some of that stuff is sent to me by other people.
Sure. Other people you've given money to?
No, like Twitch sent us some stuff. That was one of the big boxes. And then I got some more accessories. DJI sent me some camera accessories for the camera. What have I received this week? Jasmine's shoes. That's exciting. Looking at all the stuff behind you being cheap might not be a good thing.
What stuff?
What stuff? There's nothing back here.
That's just one of those fake.
That's just one of those
visual
pictures that you
effects
like
that-
draw behind you, and we have cheap green sheets behind us.
Need the money for more games.
More games!
More games. More games. Bump a bump. Is it time for another giveaway?
Yes!
All right. All right. All right. I'm gonna find an easy one.
Are you gonna reach into the green screen and pull a game out?
No.
Magic!
These are fake.
Oh, where is the ecosystem? There you are. I've been looking for the ecosystem. The ecosystem is a super cheat if you use Playmaker. It allows you to search all of the additional assets they have on the website from within Unity. And you can download them and install them from there. It's amazing. If you use Playmaker and you don't use the ecosystem, you're doing it wrong.
All right. Who's ready to win a free game?
Free game time!
All right. So I'm going to show you the cover of a game with the title covered up. And the first person to type the full name of the game
Correctly. Sorry.
Does that need to be said?
Yes.
Into the chat wins their choice of a free game from one of our sponsors. All right.
Oh, I should probably put the list up.
Can you please make my head large?
Oh no. You want that?
So you can... I'm too small in the corner there.
Alright, wait a minute.
I got it.
Oops, I just hid you completely. Wrong button!
All right.
Uh-oh. You're not on the top. You're not on the top of things. Okay. He's big. Well, wait a
Boom.
minute. You're not big yet.
Power up. Altered Beast style. All right.
There, now you're big.
All right. Who's ready? Who is ready?
They're all ready. They're dying of suspense, and they just can't wait until you show them.
Okay. There we go. 3, 2, 1. Bam. There it is.
GameCube! I know that one.
GameCube.
It's Sonica!
Sure. Well, which one?
The Nintendo GameCube one.
Oh, I think I flashed the title.
Sonic Heroes.
Who said that?
Bill9393.
I love that. You showed the side of the box. Did I? All right, we're gonna do it again.
That wasn't. Oh, it's Bittner. I would not have had any idea that was you.
You cheated, Bill Bittner.
It's not Bill Bittner.
I cheated because I showed the side of the box. All right.
You cheated. Don't accuse our audience of cheating.
No, that was my fault. That was my fault. Here's an even easier one.
Don't show the side.
I won't show the side. I turned it the wrong way. I was trying to turn it the other way. All right, here we go.
Ready,
The name
go!
covered. There you go. Come on. It's an easy one.
Jack and Daxter. Nope. 2. 2
Gotta
is
say
the
the-
number
gotta
after
say the
1.
whole title. What is the words?
We don't
under the
lump
paper?
lines together.
I love that Corey said Sledstorm.
He just threw out Sledstorm
One
just
of
in
these
case.
days,
He's gonna
I'm just gonna use Sledstorm, and it's gonna be perfect for you.
Stop spamming caps. Oh boy. I've not seen our moderator go off yet, Bill. I have now. He's calling you sewer scum. Oh, we might be getting closer. I'm not sure.
I'll say close.
You're close.
You're close.
Don't turn it the wrong way. Bro, it's a K.
Bro, it's a K. What does that
I've
mean?
never played that game. Jack and Daxter 2.
Nope.
Nope. He finally got untimed out for 5 seconds. The Precursor Legacy. Nope.
Nope.
Come on, Google could have
Corey
told
was
you
the
by
closest.
now.
If you just merge.
Oh,
what Bill.
Piggle.
Hey!
Piggle got it.
Piggle got it. It is
Yay!
Piggle is the winner. You were so close, Corey. If you just didn't... Jax is the dude from Mortal Kombat with the X. Alright. Good try, good try. You were much closer than saying Sledstorm, so that's good. I fat fingered it. Nice.
Face roll? I was trying to tell Corey, though. Oh, you were trying to whisper the answer to him? Whispers don't work.
You were trying
See,
to
I
tell
even
Corey.
fat-fingered fat finger. Are you typing on your phone?
You fat fingered the word fat finger. That's awesome.
3.9 miles. Is that how far our house is? What is 3.9 miles?
3.9 miles.
3.9 miles. I feel like that's like the human head weighs 8 pounds.
Alright, Piggle. Did you choose a game?
Piggle, which game would you like?
Piggle wins a game. Oh wow, it's already 8:39.
Oh.
No, you're gonna dig this.
No, you're gonna dig this.
Wait, I'm actually allowed to win?
Why wouldn't you be? Of course.
Ooh, I have a sword. That means I'm... are streaming while we are learning this independent game development process. So we are learning Stream and Unity and doing it all right in front of you alongside with you guys. We are trying to get a game out quick, to get it done, to have a charity campaign in it, and then move on.
Oh, this is not a real jam.
Piggle66, do you have a choice yet? Pit
I highly
people.
recommend Roundabout.
Pit people.
Pit people.
Awesome. We want to thank Behemoth for donating that key that Piggle won this round for Pit people.
Pit people. People of the pits. That game is very cool. Super fun writing. Alright. So if I bring a gem over here from one level to the other level, and then I delete this other level, will it renumber the gems?
Yes, it's counting how many there are.
Okay.
It's just count. But something about my headphones turns off like every half hour.
It's a feature.
At least it beeps when it does it, so I'm like, oh, it turned off again. Not the most convenient thing, though. So now I am going and importing that ecosystem because there's a button I'm looking for I'm not finding. What was it called again? Ecosystem Unity package. There it is. Import. Again, you see me quickly going past all those screens that say, please make sure you have a backup, because this is not my live game file. This is only a level I've created as my start menu, so risk is very minimal.
Minimal risk. I'm just placing gems. Each level will have 100 gems.
There we go. That is
to
what I'm
collect
looking
for the
for.
hardcore people. And at the end of the game, it will tell you your gem level. Gems are not required to win at all. You just have to get the 4 keys. Keys are required. Hide them gems. Hide them gems. This is my favorite hiding spot over here. Mainly because Cat doesn't even fit over here. I think I have to move this a little higher. I think she doesn't fit. Last time I checked, Fathead didn't fit in there. Alright, let me check right now. Let me check. Chickity check. I think I moved him up, but I don't remember. Let's see. Alright, do you fit back here? Alright, I did. Okay, cool. She does fit. Good, 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 good. Alright.
Get a sense of pride and accomplishment from that gem. Yeah. So when you
Check
get
it
that
out.
gem, it'll just a little message will just pop up. It says you are validated.
There we go. Over here?
Uh-huh. There's like
Oh,
half a
it's
light.
coming through the wall.
Oh, I'm like, there's like half a
There's
light.
halfway through the wall over here.
This game reminds me of Crystal Castles.
Cool.
Anyone ever play that one?
I remember that. Oh, no collision there. Goodbye, Cat. Goodbye.
So I have made my start screen. My button simply is going, it's written to simply load the next level in the order that they are. So whatever it is, it's just going to take this level is numbered 0. This is simply going to take you to whatever level you have in level 1 in the build order. Good night, Jackie. Tree of Savior is calling.
Tree of Savior.
Alright, so I have actually finished up what I wanted to do in the stream tonight. Is there any questions anyone might have about the charity element of this game, or anything about Gamers for Good that you wanted to know? Slaughterfest. So how we are tying in the charity element of this game is we want to show that any game can have a charity awareness campaign in it. So it will not be innately tied into the gameplay, but as far as the awareness, what we will be doing is we will have 5? Is it 5? Or 4
What?
charities.
As many as you want.
But there's only... Oh, but we'll just randomize
Yeah.
them? Okay. So we will be including a number of charities that will be shown as you load levels in our game. So the between level interaction will be us showing you a charity you might not be aware of and showing you their contact information so you can follow up with them. Basically, it's the awareness of putting organizations out there that you guys have told us are genuinely helping animals and letting everyone else know, putting this really fun, cute game package on it and sharing some great animal charities at the same time. Super awesome.
I know you. Your past.
One thing that I've noticed, I worked in the edutainment space before going full-time for Gamers for Good, and a lot of games that carry good purpose or good message are not the best looking. They tend to not attract, the slice of the industry tends to not attract the same caliber of artist, just probably based on what they play. When I worked in edutainment, nobody that worked with me played anything that we made. Because it was made for like kindergartners and first graders, so different experience. But, what was I saying? Holy shenanigans, I totally lost track. I don't know. So how the charity will tie in is our load screens. So we are making custom load screens that will be randomized as you replay over and over again. You will see different charities presented to you. I do want to remind anyone who has come in tonight, if you have enjoyed anything that you have seen tonight, you can help support our channel by hitting that follow button. We sure do appreciate it. You could even add posters / billboards in the game that raise awareness. The only thing with that is it becomes very hard to read, or it becomes very large. And if you look at the game levels that we're working with, we do actually have some decals in one of the levels examples. I don't know if you'd be able to read it, or if it would be enough information to provide awareness for the charity. We could like plop in logos and stuff. That might be fun. That's a great idea, though. I mean, we could see maybe how... I don't know, though. The only thought that I have on that makes me pause is I did want to say, how could a charity awareness campaign be brought into any game? Thanks for dropping by, Danny. It was great to hear from you. So, that would eliminate any...
Later, Danny.
I'm sorry?
I said bye, Danny.
Oh! I thought he said something to me. Oh, thank you, Bittner. That makes you pause.
Pause.
Oh, Jazz.
Oh,
Oh, Piggle, you and your puns.
oh. Brutal. Alright, we're gonna do one more.
We gotta do one more. Who we got? Who we got?
One more game giveaway. One more game giveaway. Alright, Corey.
Alright, so we are gonna do one more game giveaway before we finish up tonight. So I
You
will
ready for
bring
the
that
guess?
list of games back up.
Sledstorm.
Last storm! He just spits it out now.
There's the dog with his head to the ceiling. I love it. I think we're just gonna leave that in. So I've just gotten used to it.
You've gotten used to what, the blinky?
No, the dog with the head.
Oh,
through
how
the
he just
wall.
like, yeah.
Um,
Short-sighted.
Short-sighted.
Redeem yourself, Corey. I fixed my freezing issue. Alright, you better
Alright.
Don't walk away, it's not snack time.
Don't walk away. Alright. There is a cluster of gems on your screen.
Whoa.
Who can guess the closest amount of gems?
How many is there?
How many is there? I know how many there is because I made them. And I hid it on the side so you can't see it.
Oh, that's why you were asking me if the gem count would update. Ah, you cheater!
No, it isn't.
Oh.
Alright. So,
144. 54.
is someone guessing that?
Yes, it's in the chat.
Alright, so You have 30 seconds.
120.
Did everybody guess?
No. More guesses, guys! More guesses!
Da-da-da.
8 times 6 times 3.
Hey, someone actually counted them. Stop it. I'm moving the screen over here. All right, you saw it.
136.
Nope. That ain't it.
Is there one missing?
Hmm?
145. I'm counting that big monster. I know the answer, but I already won. And then yes, you say shush.
Who says shush?
He's right. Who's right? 145 counting the big monster. 136, 120, 54. 144. Dad has not said right yet. Corey.
That big monster.
But then he's not counting all the ones on the...
No, I'm not counting the ones on the level. I am not. So, maybe I did my math wrong.
Oh god.
Let's see.
So Pete doesn't know how many are in the level.
Well, I have the number on the side. Maybe my number on the side is wrong though, because it might be off.
It's counting the ones on the level behind you.
I didn't think it was.
It is.
It probably is.
Yes.
So it is 3 times 6 times 8.
Well then, Slaughterfast got it.
Who got it?
144, the first answer.
Boom. And I guess you are correct, sir.
Awesome, so Slaughterfast, take a
Slaughterfast
look
is
at
the
that
winner.
list. Pick out which game you would like, and let me know.
Pow. Goodbye, James.
Awesome. So what I'm going to ask you to do, Slaughterfest, is please
Batman.
send me an email so that I can send you your key. I will just respond to it with your key. We do want to thank Telltale for donating that copy of Batman the Telltale series. We appreciate that.
We do. And I just want to thank myself for my amazing math skills, because that's not the number I had written down at all.
Got it. Thanks. Great stream. Thank you, Slaughterfast. I have something better than the game. I have Piggle's support. Don't count on it, Corey. She's fickle. She gets tired and you got no support.
What you do have is dreams of Sledstorm.
He's just going to keep throwing that out every time, and one time he's going to hope he's right.
One of these days. I mean, even a broken clock is right twice a day. I'm gonna have to gem up this maze down there.
It only takes once to make me look brilliant. Yep. Absolutely correct.
What's that?
He says it only takes once for Sledstorm to be the right answer to make him look brilliant.
Yep.
So as our stream is coming to a close, I do want to remind everyone that we will be back here same time Thursday night.
Hopefully.
I will definitely be here. Whether or not Pete will be joining us will be seen. Pete will be in the middle of a game jam for Riot, so he may be busy. I may peek at him once in a while. Your thing's player facing.
Oh yeah. I mean,
I'm like, you're just player facing.
I could still work on it on the stream. So sure, I'll be on the stream.
Woohoo! Alright guys, so we are going to wrap it up for tonight. We do thank you everyone for coming by. If you have not, please do hit that follow heart for us. Show us some love.
Big Jim. Bye-bye.
Bye, guys. Good night.
See ya. Thanks for coming by. Have a good night.